Multiple returns versus return variable in Python. I am a beginner programmer using Python and I wonder what the best practice is for returns in a function. I have a lot of conditions, but as soon as one of them is true, I want to kill the function and return a bool value. Say, we have Is one way better than another? Why? Or is this some utter junk and should be implemented in a completely different way? Is it different in other languages than in Python? Or is there a Pythonic way? Thank you all in advance for your answers. BTW, is there a tag for best practice, or something like that?
The first version is more Pythonic in my opinion. It could be written like this instead though.
Both a dot and the dot are valid. For languages with resource management like C, or debugging and wanting to break in only one place, the preference is b dot. See this URL. For Python and other languages it is standard to use either. C should a function have only one return statement?
You don't use the bar variable, and you don't need to create it. Other ways?
I videoene passerer må jeg lese kan se det subskripten.